new course creator, it can be very overwhelming to think about how you can effectively market your course and let people know that it's here for them to dive into. So today I want to share 3 marketing strategies that you can incorporate into your course creation journey to set yourself up for success. The first marketing strategy that you can actually do in under 15 minutes is you can spend some time researching hashtags on Instagram. Here's the reality. A ton of people are in the process of creating a course or wanting to join a course. And if you spend quality time and really research hashtags regarding course creation, you have an opportunity to 1, learn market research that you can weave into your course creation process. 2, learn more about your ideal learner. The thing I want you to pay really close attention to is there are millions of hashtags related to course creation. So you want to make sure to find the hashtags that actually align with your ideal learner. This is a great way to get in front of a new and expansive audience. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is they believe that if they just post, people will just flock to them. But unless you're weaving in hashtags and studying hashtags and really using the right ones, you don't have an opportunity to really expand your audience. So make sure to take some time to really research hashtags that align with your ideal learner so that you can continue to get in front of the right people. The second step that would really help you market effectively is to not only research those hashtags, but to engage. It serves nobody for you to post hashtags on your page underneath your post. It serves nobody for you to understand what the hashtags mean if you don't actually engage. So there's a strategy that I use called the 3-2-1 strategy. Simply put, I go ahead and I research the hashtags that are related to what I'm posting, and then I engage with those hashtags. And I do that again using the 3-2-1 strategy. I make 3 comments on new pages. I do 2 likes on new pages, and I do 1 follow on a new page. And this allows me to get in front of new people and showcase who I am and what I have to offer. The third and final marketing strategy that will take you under 10 to 15 minutes is to make sure that your bio aligns with what you have to offer. The biggest mistake you can make is to have a bio that says, I love hiking, but to be creating a course on how to write a book. People won't know what you have to offer unless you explain it. And please understand that your bio is your first impression in the same way when you first meet somebody. And sometimes that can be really misleading or hard to undo if your bio doesn't align with what you're giving your audience. So when you go to create your bio, think of the quickest way that you can conceptualize what it is that you have to offer, and make sure that your bio matches on every social media platform: Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, all of them, so that no matter where people find you, they know exactly who you are and what you're about. This is also a great opportunity because people may want to share your page, and if they share your page and your page is misleading, that can cause people to log off before they even have a chance to look at your posts or really dive in and get to know you better. I know in the beginning of the video, I said that we were only going to do 3 marketing strategies, but another one was just came to my mind in the middle of recording, and I was like, I absolutely have to share this. And that is using testimonials and feedback in things that you post online. Here's the reality. You could talk so highly of your course and what you have to offer people and why you're skilled at it and how your course could or would potentially change someone's life, but it's coming from you. You're the creator. So of course you're going to brag about it. It's your baby, right? You birthed it. But here's the truth. People want it to be validated from other people. And the best way to do that is to get feedback, any feedback that you can get, and weave that into what you're sharing online. So if you have not officially launched your course, you could get feedback from a coworker, a colleague, or a friend that you supported with this information. Maybe you already had someone buy the information from you one-on-one. Get feedback from them, but weave those testimonials and reviews into what you post, because it really helps validate that what was available for them could also be available for your potential learner. Letting your potential buyers know that this could possibly or will work for them is one of the best marketing strategies that you can do. So never underestimate any feedback that you get, even if it's something as simple as you changed my life by the YouTube video that you posted. Share those things, because this lets people see how powerful you are and really highlights you as the authority on that particular subject. Here's the cool thing. These are all marketing strategies that you can use whether you have already launched your course or are in the process of creating your course. Because the best thing you can do is actually precede your course as you're continuing to create, even before, even after a launch. So it is so important that you market effectively if you want to make sure to get in front of a new audience and new potential learners. If you're looking for more strategies, skills, and supports on your course creation journey, then you're in the right place. I have a totally free training that's coming up that you get to join me on, and it's called Content, Course, and Coins. And I talk you through the process of taking the content that you have, that you're passionate about, that you're good at, that you're knowledgeable about, creating a course, and increasing your coins. If you're ready to join me, use the link below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.